Hey everybody, Jodey with TheRingLord here. I thought I would do a quick unboxing video because I just received our new pliers in our super cool new boxes. These are our shorter handled Armorer's pliers, and if you've ever had our modified Nippex pliers, you will recognize these because they look a lot like those. So they come in this cool box, new packaging, and then you can see they are branded on both handles. And really cool, they have springs. So here are what the modified Nippex look like. So you can see they're really similar, but the red ones do not have a spring, so you had to put your finger in the middle to open and close the jaws, or add some rare earth magnets going the opposite direction so they would push apart themselves. We don't have to do that anymore. So here's my other pair, and I don't have terribly small hands for a woman. I'd say my hands are pretty average size, but these really do fit my hands really well. So they're similar in size to the Nippex, but they do have, like I said, this nice lap spring, and so no more sticking your finger between the handles to get the pliers to open. So I thought I would do a small demonstration with these. I have some 16 gauge 1/4 inch stainless steel rings. These are saw cut. And let me see if I can move in a bit here so you can see better. Okay. So I'm just going to do a quick demo, and this is the very first time I have used these pliers, and I do like them. So I'm just going to close a few rings here. So you can see that they're big, heavy duty pliers. I think they're rated up to 12 gauge, titanium and stainless. Y'all, I can't bend 16 gauge titanium. I can do 16 gauge stainless, but I'm not going to offer to demonstrate on something thicker because I can't do it. All right, so that's that. Let's put some together. So we've seen some opened. Let's do a little tiny piece of European 4-in-1. Okay, so there's, I'm going to open another one. Okay. I do like these pliers. So there you can see I just used kind of the edge corner of the jaw. So you certainly can do that too. That's a technique you'll learn when you do male Sometimes you don't have the room in your weave to do, or to get the whole jaw in there, so you will have to use the edge or the corner. So I'm going to do one more unit here, and then I'm going to show you something else I just got. Okay, so there is that European 4-in-1 with our new Armorer's pliers. These are the short handled pliers. We will be getting the longer handled pliers for those of you who have larger hands. We do have some in stock now, but they do not have the springs. I believe they're a couple months out. Now let me show you what else I just got. So Valentine's Day is coming up. You guys, if you watch our Facebook and Instagram, you'll know I've been posting some inspiration projects. And I will be posting another inspiration project tomorrow. But these beauties came today. These are our etched tags. These are the 1-inch anodized aluminum tags. They are random colors. So I got 2 packs, and I got 3 colors that were the same. Okay, so that's those. And then I also got, pick these up. So I'll be doing an inspiration project with all of these in the next week or so, because Valentine's Day is coming up soon. And I got a pack of our new Etch Scales. So these are also random colors, random designs. So if you order more than 1 pack, you might get this design, a door on a different color. And then I got one more thing. And I love these. I think they're gorgeous. Damien did a fantastic job on this design. These are our heart etched anodized aluminum tags. So if you've ever used our heart tags, these are those. Let me get this in the shot. These are those, but they are etched. So again, random colors, same design on everything. Looking to see if I can find, so here is one of our non-etched hearts. And here is a design, just an earring I made with our tiny round tags. Those are the holes. These are actually the holes from the large scales. But I did shaggy tags, and then I put a heart tag at the bottom. So you could certainly use these etched tags for the earrings. So again, I'll be coming up with some designs, some inspiration designs for you guys in the next few days. So stay tuned to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you have any questions about the product, you can email customer service, orders@TheRingLord.com. If you have a question about a project that you need help with, feel free to email me, projecthelp@TheRingLord.com. I hope you guys have a great day.